Hey guys, have I got a treat for you. My favorite train, FEC train 222, northbound from Hialeah Yard to Bowden Yard in Jacksonville. It's Saturday, October 18, 2008, and I'm here in Palm Beach Gardens at the new Kyoto Gardens Drive crossing. Rock on top, Titan tugs, intermodal, and empty manifest cars on the bottom, what the FEC refers to as dead loads. I'm your host, Ted Marshall, and I want to thank you for joining me. That was FEC train 222, northbound from Hialeah Yard to Bowden Yard in Jacksonville. I'm your host, Ted Marshall. Thank you for joining me. Got a long drive back to Hollywood. I'll see you guys later.